Hi, Deadlocks here again, and again, there's nothing here. Why is there nothing here, Mr. Deadlocks?
Because you're reviewing them.
Oh, why am I reviewing these? I don't know anything about them. Okay, so I'm reviewing this handcuff key. So this handcuff key is, I don't, my nails are all orange from the colours. I need to do my nails. They look really orange on camera. It's horrible. It's because I've been painting my nails bright colours. It stains your nails. Just, I'm not ill or dying or anything, people. But anyway, this is a handcuff key. It is a standard handcuff key. It can open many handcuffs, and it has a pokey bit on the end, as you can see, which is it serrated? Where's the camera lens?
Why would it be serrated?
I don't know. It's not smooth. It's rough. Camera won't even focus. Either way, it's rough, and it's a beautiful key. It has a hole on the end.
Yes, I thought you were going to review the handcuffs.
Well, the key is part of the handcuffs. The key is the most important part of the handcuffs. Without the key, many people will not be able to get out.
Actually, only one person wouldn't be able to get out. Because once you put the first person in, you wouldn't be able to get a second person in them. Unless I had one person in each cuff, so at the most, 2 people couldn't get out.
You shut up with your logic. But, so there's a key, and then there's these, which are... Oh, it's got a name on it. Oh, it's a camera phone. These are the... I can't even see because the camera's not focusing on it. Oh, there you go. The HIATT US PAT app. So I'm guessing that means patent approved. Patent approved?
Probably.
Patent approved. And it's got numbers. So it's the HIATT. HIATT, and I don't know what numbers they are.
I just call them the HIATT folding rigid cuffs.
So, as Mr. Deadlock says, they're folding rigid handcuffs. They're not folding at the moment because once they flip open, they lock open, which is good because it can be good hand not to have them thingied. But then there's a little thing in here. I think you put the key in. Do you put the key in? I think. Yeah. Yeah. You put the key in, and then maybe not. Let's try that again. I can't see the hole. So with the key in, and then it did fold a bit. It's not folding anymore. Oh, there we go. And when do I take the key out? There. So they fold up to make it easy for storage in your pocket. Because, you know, it's where you would carry them. You could also put them in a sock to carry them around. So it's got some screw bits on it, which look like a triangle head, a crosshead screwdriver would open them. So you can open them at least. So surely you could escape from them if they were put like that.
That just takes the plastic cover off.
It just takes the plastic cover off. Should we take the plastic cover off and have a look inside?
No.
Mr. Deadlocks won't let me. Whatever, ruined my review. God. But they work like normal handcuffs. They spin things, spin round, and then you put the hands in them. But never, ever, ever put them together. It's not focusing. When they're like this, don't lock them. Because the geniuses, don't you do that. Because the geniuses at HIATT, the geniuses at HIATT have put the keys on the inside. So if you close them, again, you've got to close them like this. So the geniuses at HIATT thought it might be intelligent to... I can't even open the fucking things. I'm putting the key in the wrong direction, that's why. Yeah. Right, so the geniuses thought that... This is just not working. So again, I'll try again. The geniuses at HIATT get away. Thought that it would be intelligent to stick the keyholes on the inside. So if you get a genius who sticks the hands in.
Don't do that.
What? I wasn't going to do it. I wasn't going to like jam my hand right in like you do. It would have done it anyway because it wouldn't have been my wrist. It would have been my hand. If my hand gets stuck in like this. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm tied in. Come on, Mr. Deadlocks. Use your noggin. Can't trap my hand in because I can use my hand to get in and out of a hole. Surprisingly so. Because it's not attached on the other end. Why are you laughing? You're the one that said this. But yeah, so they thought it would be intelligent to stick it on the inside. I don't know why they thought that would be intelligent to stick it there. It's in my opinion a design flaw. Because I bet, like wherever these are sold, well, it says US, so I'm guessing it's in the US. They're British. Whatever thing British, especially then in Britain. I guess there's going to be a lot of people who get phone calls from the fire brigade going, I'm stuck in my handcuffs and I can't get out. And then they'll come and be like, what if you playing it? And the only way that I can see you getting out of them is by breaking them. But it has this little handy dandy hole here, which means that they're double locked. Which means that it's for safety really, because it means that it stops these things from moving. So you can't squish your hands even more. Because I think that would be a bit of a bummer to squish your hands in them. How do I get the double lock off now? You can't push the hole out, can you? I just got to unlock it. Okay. I was just querying. My goodness, don't laugh. So then, see, magic, you put the key in, but it doesn't turn that way. So don't turn it that way. If you turn it that way, you heard that click. That click means it's unlocked, but then can't turn it any further. So double lock is off. But you have to then go the other direction to oh God. Why is it not? Why?
Are you in shut still?
Yes. What's it doing? I can't open it. Oh, there we go. Magic. Then you open it like this. Same on the other side. You've got your double lock on. Keyhole. You will click it. That's off. So it's off. But then you can't turn it that way anymore. So you have to turn it the opposite direction. That one opened okay. It's got how many pawls is in there? Ooh, get out of my way. There's one pawl inside there.
No, there's not.
Is there two pawls?
There's the same amount of pawls as there is blind mice.
3?
Yes.
Oh yes, oh yeah. No, I can only say no. I thought it was a reflection. Shut up, it's not funny.
So there's one pawl with 3. Yeah, with 2 very solid reflections next to it.
Shut up, I thought it was a reflection. And to be quite honest, 2 of the poles are very, very next to each other. So there's 3 poles in there. So if you turn the key the right time, not that way because that doesn't work, but you'll see sometimes the reason I have trouble is because I do that and I can only move 2 poles, whereas I need to move 3 poles. So I put the key in too far because this key isn't actually a HIATT key, it's just a generic handcuff key, which this little knobble bit is not long enough, which is why Mr. Deadlocks likes to use these keys because
it's funny.
Because I can't open locks with these keys because you have to jiggle it out a little bit. So there's, you see, 3 balls. So them 2 there, you see them 2, they're in a relationship together because they're very close to each other. He's the added extra. He's the one that joins them for fun on a Sunday. Another key stuck. Another key stuck. How do I get the key out? Okay, that's how I get the key out. Anyway, stop laughing. So these are rigid. So when they're open, they're open. The thingy will not close.
What's the bonus about rigid handcuffs?
The bridge, there's no chain, so you can't twist the chain to pop it off.
That would be one good reason. Give us another good reason why you would want rigid handcuffs.
Because then you can't, like, well, you can still kill somebody with them. Probably kill somebody more with these than you could with chained handcuffs, but hey. The fold away to storage, you know, because no, that wouldn't work. They're heavy. To be honest, I think handcuffs are a stupid idea sometimes. Because if I was a criminal, right, and I had handcuffs on and they were in front of us, they'll generally put them behind you, don't they?
Yes.
You see how many times I've been arrested.
3 more times than I've been arrested.
I've never been arrested. Never been handcuffed in my life other than when I've started a relationship with you. I was a lovely, sweet and innocent young lady who never knew the life of handcuffs or locks or anything like that. Anyway, it's hilarious. Anyway, back to these handcuffs. Stop being a distraction, Mr. Deadlocks. It has 2 keyholes, 1 for each arm. And then if you put them this direction when you're locking somebody in them and they've got the wrists in like this, that won't work because there's a table in the way. But if you put them in the wrists like this, like... You're a pain.
Do you know what the worst bit is?
What?
Keyholes are here, aren't they?
Yep.
At the top.
Yep.
Yeah, you're not getting to them.
I bet you can.
None of that.
No! Don't cheat. I could have done that there. Oh, where's the key? I can't even get the key. But basically, yeah. So if the keyholes are up like this, yeah, you need to record this because I can't see what I'm doing. The camera's in the way. I can't do what I'm doing. So if the keyholes are like this, you're a bit kerfuffled and stuck as to what you can do, unless you're magic and have really bendy.
What are you doing?
Go! 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 Go!
You've bent it too many times, it's all wiggly. You need to cut this end off and start again. Ta-da! I'm out! I did it all by myself!
No help at all.
All by myself! Ta-da! I did it all by myself! It only took 20 odd minutes. So yeah, these handcuffs are pretty strong handcuffs. They're quite heavy. They're rigid. They fold in half when they want to. Don't ever stick them together and put your hand in. Otherwise, there's words that can describe you that are not YouTube friendly.
You have a new bracelet for life.
Yeah. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.